Hello everyone, my name is Joy Jessica Gisby and together with my friend we will be presenting today about Samsung Global Supply Chain. I hope you have a nice day and enjoy our presentation. Samsung is a South Korea multinational company that produces electronics, semiconductors and home appliances. Its supply chain operates in over 200 countries worldwide, showing how connected and efficient its global operations are. In 2024, Supply Chain Digital ranked Samsung among Asian-Pacific's top 10 supply chains. The company focused on efficiency, innovation, and resilience, which allow it to manage production, logistics, and delivery effectively across the globe.
You guys know how Samsung move product and material in logistics? Samsung operates 26 global production based on 59 sales subsidiaries worldwide. This shows how large and capable their supply network is. They also use an AI-based logistics platform called Samsung SDS Celo. This system helps monitor product movement and optimize transportation routes to save both time and cost. Samsung employs multimodal transportation, which includes sea, air, rail, and truck to deliver both components and finished goods efficiently. For example, smartphones manufactured in Vietnam are shipped globally. Samsung employs multimodal transportation, which includes sea, air, rail, and truck to deliver. Samsung applies multimodal transportation, which includes sea, air, rail, and truck to deliver both components. For example, smartphones manufactured in Vietnam are shipped globally through major ports such as Busan in Korea, Shanghai in China, and Rotterdam in Europe.
Next, we talk about global sourcing, supplies from other countries. Now let's move on to global sourcing, which refers to how Samsung obtains materials and components from suppliers around the world to support its global production network. Samsung operates one of the most complex and efficient global sourcing systems in the world. The company sources its key components from multiple countries to ensure high quality, steady supply, and cost efficiency. For example, TSMC from Taiwan provides advanced semiconductor parts that are crucial for Samsung's smartphone and electric devices. These chips help boost the speed of and performance of Samsung Galaxy series. Another major supplier is Corning from the United States, which supplies the famous Gorilla Glass, the strong and durable glass used to protect Samsung smartphone screens from scratch and damage. From Japan, Samsung works closely with Sony, which supplies image sensor used in the high-resolution cameras of Samsung phone. This partnership allows Samsung to deliver clearer and sharper photos, giving it a competitive edge in the smartphone market. In addition, Samsung also sources raw materials from other parts of the world. For instance, lithium, which is an essential material for smartphone batteries, come from Australia and Chile. These materials are then sent to Korea, where Samsung factory process them into finished battery cells for global distribution. To manage such a large number of suppliers worldwide, Samsung uses an advanced supplier relationship management (SRM) system. The system ensures that every supplier meets strict quality, safety, and environment standards. It also helps Samsung monitor compliance and maintain long-term trustworthy relationship with partners. Finally, Samsung Samsung also collaborates with the local supply in each region. This approach helps the company reduce risks such as shipping delays, geopolitical issues, while also improving flexibility and supporting local economy. Overall, Samsung global sourcing strategy is one of the main reasons it's remained a leader in the global electronic industry. By combining the mass materials and technologies from different countries, Samsung can produce innovative, high-quality products that reach millions of consumers worldwide.
Okay, next is main challenges. Number one is global chip shortage 2020 until 2022. Between 2020 and 2022, there was a global shortage of semiconductor chips. This caused delays in producing phones, computers, and cars. Next is number two, geopolitical tension. Tension between the US and China led to trade restrictions. This made it harder for companies to get materials and sell products overseas. And number three is high transportation costs and delays. During the COVID-19 pandemic, shipping became slower and more expensive. Lockdowns and container shortages caused long delays in deliveries. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera to everyone. So my name is Siti Nur Akila binti Ramlan. My matrix number is 16 DPN 24F1085. So today, this is my part, and I will talk about the main challenge Samsung face in its supply chain and how the company will solve them. So the first challenge is the supply disruption, which means there are unexpected problems that stop material or product from arriving on time. For example, natural disaster, political conflict, or factory shutdown can delay production. So how to solve this? Samsung's use a multiple sourcing strategy, which means getting material from many suppliers instead one place. Like they will produce from country A or B and C. So if there any problem from the country B, so they will get the product from A and C also. So the second one is the second challenge is logistical complexity and long lead time. So Samsung supply chain is huge, so they ship product worldwide. That's make logistics more complicated, especially when dealing with the custom, different time zone and transportation issue. So to manage this, Samsung applied advanced analytics and AI forecasting to predict demand and plan shipment more accuracy. So when they have a bad weather, so Samsung can know when the bad weather will come. So they also focus on sustainability in logistics, such as using eco-friendly transportation and better packaging system to reduce waste and carbon emission. So lastly, the third challenge is trade risk. This happens when political tension or new trade regulation affect global business. For example, the trade war between the US and China. Samsung overcome by diversifying manufacturer base, meaning they don't really too much on one country. They don't focus on one country only, but they build factory in different regions to stay flexible. So they also work on diplomatic cooperation, building good relationship with government and partners to keep their trade smooth and stable. So from any problem we talked before, even though Samsung face many challenges in its global supply chain, the company managed them smartly with innovation, technology, and global strategy. This solution helped Samsung stay strong and competitive in the fast-changing world business. That's all from me. Bye-bye.
Okay, next is visual data and sample of Samsung Electronics. Number one is Samsung supply chain operates globally with key region roles. Number two is Vietnam, smartphone and supply for Galaxy series. And number three is Korea, R&D and chip manufacturing Exynos. Number four is USA, sale and logistics for North America. Number five is Europe, customer service and repair center. Number six is output volume, Vietnam 150 million, Korea 18 million, USA 50 million, and Europe 30 million. Number 7 is show efficient global operation with each region specializing in different functions. The last one is 8. Ensure quality, speed, and reliability worldwide. That's all for me.
Let's talk discussion reflections. In conclusion, having a strong global supply chain is absolutely vital for a company like Samsung. A well-managed supply chain ensures that products are available to customers on time no matter where they are in the world. For example, when Samsung launches a new Galaxy smartphone, it can reach markets in Asia, Europe, and America almost simultaneously. This level of coordination builds customer trust because buyers know Samsung products will be available and support globally. A strong supply chain also helps the company respond quickly to unexpected challenges such as the global chip shortage in 2021. During that time, many technology companies struggled to maintain production, but Samsung was able to continue manufacturing by diversifying its supply network and using its own semiconductor facilities in South Korea, Texas, and USA. This shows how global sourcing and supply chain strength protects the company from disruptions. Another important point is how technology and data analysis have improved Samsung decision making. The company used real-time data system to monitor the flow of materials, predict demand, and optimize delivery route. For example, Samsung Smart Logistics Platform tracks shipment and warehouse inventory through sensor and AI, allowing managers to detect any delay or shortage instantly. This not only saves costs but also improves customer satisfaction by ensuring faster and more reliable deliveries. Looking into future, Samsung focus moving towards sustainability, ethical sourcing, and AI-driven logistics. For instance, the company is working with eco-friendly suppliers to reduce its carbon footprint and ensure that minerals such as cobalt and lithium are sourced as responsibly, avoiding child labor and environment harm. Samsung also aims to make its logistic network smarter by using artificial intelligence, AI, and automation. For example, its warehouse in Korea are testing AI-powered robots and drones to move material more efficiently and reduce human error. Overall, Samsung global supply chain reflects more than just movement of material. It represents the company's commitment to quality, innovation, and responsibility. By combining advanced technology with sustainable and ethical practice, Samsung not only strengthened its operation but also set an example for how a global company should lead in today's fast-changing world.
Next is conclusion. Samsung has a strong and efficient global supply chain, use smart technology, AI data system for logistics and tracking, source material and components from many countries, face challenges like chip shortage and global trade issues, solve problems through innovation, digital tools, and sustainability. Show how global supply chain support business success worldwide.